Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe we are going to be making the simple chicken vegetable stir fry. So guys, let's get cooking. So guys, right here I have some yellow, orange and red sweet chili peppers, 1 carrot, 2 onion, 5 garlics, ginger, broccoli, and I also do have 500 grams chicken breast and some salt. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons cornstarch flour and some cooking oil. I have my onion powder, black peppers, oyster sauce and light soy sauce. So guys, for all these ingredients, do check out the description box so you can access them anytime you want to make yours. So right now, I'll make sure I slice the chicken breast into a very tiny long strips. And I'll get a clean bowl and add in 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, I will go ahead and mash in 2 garlic, a pinch of salt, just a tiny bit, some onion powder and black peppers. So at this time you can go ahead and add in your chicken, or else you can go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch flour. Mix it up properly and add in the chicken breast. So if you don't want to mix your cornstarch flour with the mixture, you can first of all go ahead and add in your chicken. After marinating it with your chicken, then you can use your cornstarch flour to seal all those nice sauce with your chicken. Either way, they both work perfect. So I will cover it up with a cling film and save it in my fridge to rest while I prep my veggies. So I will start by chopping in my already cleaned carrots. You can go ahead and slice your carrots to any shape and any size that you like. So for the peppers, I'm using half of each of the peppers. You can see I'm using half of the red, yellow and orange bell peppers. So right now when I'm done slicing the peppers, I'll go ahead and chop in the onion into a very tiny bit, which is the white onion. And the purple onion, I'm going to be slicing it the same size of my veggies. And right here, I'll go ahead also and prep my garlic. So right now, I'll go ahead and slice my already washed broccoli. I washed my broccoli with salt and warm water. And when I'm done with the veggies, I will start to make a 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. I'll add in some garlic, ginger and some chopped onion. And I will mix this up together and set it aside. So I will put in a boiling water in my pot and add in some salt. And I'm going to be blanching the broccoli for just 30 seconds. But if you like, you can go ahead and do this for a minute or maximum 2. And I'll go ahead and do the same thing with my carrots. And this time I will put it inside my iced water and allow it to cool while I start stir frying the chicken. So guys, do make sure you allow your chicken to marinate properly. So right now I will start stir frying the chicken on a very high heat. And I'm going to let the chicken to cook very well. I'll make sure the chicken comes out very nice and dry. And also, you don't want to overcrowd your chicken so the chicken will not start to develop waters. You want the chicken to come out very, very nice and a little bit crispy. So when I'm done with the first batch, I'll go ahead and make the second batch. Then I will start prepping my veggies. So for the start, I will add in my chopped onion and garlic. I'll make sure this gets like into a caramelized color, so it will give my vegetable oil that nice flavor. And I will start adding in all my already prepped veggies. So guys, at this moment, I'm going to stir fry my veggies for just a minute. And after a minute, I'll go ahead and put my strained broccoli and carrots, and I will give this a nice stir. And when I'm done stirring it, I'll go ahead and add in my mixed garlic and oyster sauce and soy sauce to give this a little bit of juice. But if you don't want any juice on your stir-fried veggies, you can skip that. So I'm adding in just 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and I will stir this and allow it to stir fry for just a minute, which altogether I stir fried my veggies for about 2 minutes. So guys, at this point, I will add in the chicken, and I'm going to stir this together for just 30 seconds, and I will set it aside, and my chicken vegetable is ready to enjoy. So guys, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it so you will be notified anytime I post interesting recipes like this. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a comment if you do love this recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.